Clark Roofing is your comprehensive solution for all exterior building needs. We specialize in the complete package, taking care of everything from fabrication to installation. Our services extend to all exterior building surfaces, making us a one-stop source for your exterior needs. Our expertise includes commercial roofing systems, TPO, PVC, and all single-ply roof systems. We are well-versed in providing high-quality, durable solutions that stand the test of time. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction sets us apart in the industry. But our services don't stop at roofing. We also offer a variety of exterior metals, aluminum composite panels, metal composite panels, and 7.2 metal wall panels. Whether it's for a retail store, a medical facility, or an industrial warehouse, we have the right solutions for you. In addition, we also specialize in standing seam roof systems, such as snap lock and mechanically seamed soffit panels, metal sunshades, mechanical screens, and equipment screens. Our extensive range of services ensures that we can meet any exterior building requirement you may have. We also excel in commercial exterior waterproofing. Whether it's masonry, bricks, stones, or concrete surfaces, we have the expertise to ensure your building is protected from the elements. Our waterproofing services are designed to provide long-lasting protection and peace of mind. If you would like to learn more about our services and how we can help you, please call Clark Roofing at 254-374-4477. You can also visit our website at www.clarkroofingtx.com. Thank you for considering Clark Roofing, and we look forward to serving you. Have a great day.